Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring, not guessing, record latency and throughput over 5 to 15-minute windows so you have a baseline. Once done, isolate which stage is slow, ingest, transform, storage, or the network, and focus there. Next, free immediate pressure. Stop runaway jobs and, if possible, increase CPU or memory by about 20% to buy time. Make sure to keep notes. These numbers explain why later changes helped or failed. Now dig deeper with diagnostics. Capture flame graphs, query plans, and the 95th percentile latency samples to find hotspots. Once identified, tune the implementation, reduce batch sizes or increase them depending on memory behavior, add targeted indexes, and rewrite hot queries to avoid full scans. Also adjust parallelism and I/O concurrency to match resources. Make sure to throttle upstream producers or apply backpressure so the downstream system can catch up without cascading failures. You finish by validating changes with a controlled /B test or canary deploy. Compare metric deltas against your baseline so you can prove improvement. Once confident, deploy gradually and automate rollback triggers and alerts for more than 10% latency regressions. Make sure to collect logs and diffs during the rollout for forensic analysis. If things go wrong, revert to the prior state immediately and isolate one variable at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.